Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. So if I go to my Gmail, on the top right, if I just click there and click on add an account here, and if I just select Google here, right, so it will just take a very few seconds. You have to verify that whether it's you or not, and after checking the info you have to enter your email address or phone number, right? So if you are not able to do that, or either if you're not able to verify through your phone number, if you're not able to add the OTP or whatever the reason it could be, the solution of this that you need to have an active number, right? So the active number should where there should be recharge, and there should be you should be able to call as well as you able to send and receive messages or SMS over your mobile number. And the next thing is that there's a limited numbers of Gmail you can create with a single mobile number. So if you have reached the limit, then you won't be able to create a new email with the same number. So you need to add any different number or phone number, and depending upon that you can just make an email, and after that you will able to easily verify your Gmail account in just few seconds. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.